always just set this self-pushing soda can dispenser for fridge organization to review from Goodie Store. So let's take a look and try it out. Looks like there's gonna be some assembly required. We have 5 of the dispensing parts, 6 of these metal dividers, and 2 fixation T-rails. Slide on, slide on. There we go. And then they're gonna slide on. So they are on, these are like the tracks. You slide it all the way back. Here we go. You can snap it on. And the next one is on, the other is on. Just gonna slide up, snap on another divider. All right, there we are. Fully on. Mine's not centered. There's a bit extra space here. I could slide them over, but I'm not gonna bother. We are ready. Let's get it in the fridge. That fits nicely here. This is awesome. It's awesome for organizing your fridge. It's awesome for a party. It was easy to put together. It's 15 inches deep. It'll hold up to 25 cans, and I love how you assemble it. There is some cushion here as far as you could make them wider or skinnier depending on the shapes of things you're going to be using. For example, if you wanted like a row of tomato sauces that are really wide, you could do it much wider. Really flexible how you set it up and use it. It's really nice and sturdy, like when you're putting stuff in and when you're taking stuff out. So nice. The next one just pops into place. Boom. It works with the tall ones, it works with the short ones. It's gonna work for even taller, like water bottles and stuff. If your shelf is higher than mine, mine is just restricted because of my refrigerator, not because of this thing. This is amazing. I love it, and I know you will too.